In this video, you'll learn how to identify the most practical setup for a solar hot water system based on the needs of the climate, building and the householders.
In passive systems, also known as thermosiphon systems, the tank sits above the collectors. Colder water sinks into the collectors, whilst warmer water rises unassisted from the collectors into the tank. The tank may sit on the roof with the collector, a close coupled system, or within the roof cavity above the collector, a gravity feed system. With these systems, the roof support structures must be strong enough to handle weights of up to 800 kilograms. Active systems use a small pump to move water between the collectors and the tank. The location of the tank can be within the roof or on the ground. Each type of system has advantages. A passive system is space-saving and is easy to maintain with no moving parts. An active system is unobtrusive, lightweight, can use an existing tank, and the tank can be located closer to where hot water is used, reducing heating loss in pipes, but the pump uses some energy. There are two collector types to choose from: flat plate and evacuated tubes. Evacuated tubes have the advantage of receiving perpendicular radiation for a greater part of the day. This, combined with their vacuum insulation, means good winter performance. Flat plate collectors, particularly if purchased as part of a closed couple system, can be more affordable than evacuated tube collectors. However, the prices of evacuated tubes has fallen in recent years. Collectors should ideally face true north in a shade-free position. Facing the collectors 45 degrees from the north will result in only minor reductions in performance. The ideal inclination is the angle of latitude plus 5 to 10 degrees. Sydney's latitude is 33.5 degrees, so an ideal angle of inclination would be around 40. However, plus or minus 15 degrees would still provide adequate performance. If your collectors face due east or west, the lower the angle of inclination, the better. However, to allow thermosiphon flow, you must always keep the angle above 10 degrees. For the correct sizing of your collectors and tank, consult manufacturer's guidelines to see what is best for the climate and household. In places with minor frosts, evacuated tubes may offer enough inbuilt protection. In climates with regular frosts, indirect or